Hey guys, this is Joe here with MacDon Product Support, talking to you guys about B7238, otherwise known as the rice dividers. So this is an option if you want to get rid of your hockey stick style divider that typically goes right here. This is for crop that's laid over down on the ground that you really need to get underneath of to be able to lift it up to get it inside of the header. Super easy to install. All you have to do is loosen this bolt right here, tighten it back up, and that's it. The divider storage bracket. So right here we have a rice divider held in by our storage bracket right here. What this bracket allows you to do is now you can carry your traditional divider right here while also holding different styles of dividers up here. So if you have multiple dividers rolling around in the bed of your truck and you want them a little bit more organized and together, this is a great kit for you guys. Have a wonderful day.